In this video, TBI Concrete Flooring will demonstrate the installation of luster metallic resin flooring. All resin flooring starts with surface preparation to ensure proper bond to the substrate. We sand the existing epoxy resin floor with 24 grit sandpaper to completely remove the gloss. The sander used is the on-floor 16 planetary grinder in 110 volt. We then scribe a radius curve with a pencil and string line attached to a pivot point. Once prep is complete, we mix epoxy mortar to float the 3/8 transition strip from the adjacent terrazzo floor. This gives us a fairly smooth transition between flooring types. We blend epoxy and silica sand to make this type of grout. The epoxy grout is troweled into the transition area to build a ramp between the 3/8 terrazzo and the metallic floor. The coating system begins with Surecrete 600 WB black epoxy primer. Primer is applied at 200 square feet per gallon. After a 12-hour cure, the primer is sanded with 80 grit screen discs on a swing sander to remove any contaminants. The second resin application is Surecrete DK 500 Epoxy 100% solid self-leveling formula. The DK 500 is mixed with the hardener for 30 seconds. Metallic color packs are then added to the DK 500 resin and mixed for an additional 3 minutes. Aggressive mixing is needed to disperse the metallic powder pigment. The first metallic coat is applied at 50 to 60 square feet per gallon. On this job we will be applying 2 coats of metallic. Our first coat of metallic will be a color sample mock-up that may be adjusted on the second application. Most manufacturers recommend 2 coats of metallic for the best results. The resin is poured onto the floor, then spread with a magic trowel. After troweling, the resin is back rolled. Additional colors of metallic resin are then poured in random ribbons over the back-rolled surface to the desired amount. Colors for this floor are gunmetal, champagne, and pearl white. You begin to see movement of the metallic immediately and maximum movement in 15 to 30 minutes of back rolling. After a 12-hour cure, the second coat of metallic is applied. Adjustment of the color scheme may be made at this time. The metallic is rolled in a circular pattern. This prevents any roller marks from showing through the final product. After the final coat of metallic resin has cured, the floor is sanded again to receive the top coat. The floor is screen sanded between every coat to remove imperfections. As you can see, there are imperfections in the floor. Small bubbles may appear in the cured metallic coat. This is common for a high build coating. Bubbles in the mixed resin will float to the surface during cure. Sanding will eliminate these bubbles. Key Resin 467 HS Satin Polyurethane with aluminum oxide wear additive. 467 HS is a 3-component urethane. All 3 components are blended aggressively for 4 to 5 minutes. Three-component urethane must be applied with the dip and roll method. Application spread rate is 500 to 600 square feet per gallon. Aluminum oxide wear additive creates a satin finish with the most abrasion-resistant surface of any urethane. When considering an epoxy resin flooring system, consider a metallic resin floor for a decorative look. Metallic floors may be installed in garages, schools, residential areas, and commercial environments. We thank you for watching this video and please like or subscribe.